Okay, sorry about the lawn maintenance guys with the blower out there. One last thing I want to show you is if you look down here, once I've glued it onto the pipe right here, you want to make sure that when you put that slip fix on, you pull it out and turn it a quarter of a turn and hold it. And sometimes when you first start to let go, that slip fix is going to go that way and start sliding off of that glue joint right there. That's known as pushback. So you want to be aware of that and watch for it. And if you see it starting to move that way, grab it and pull it back out and give it another 1/8 of a turn. And usually that's enough to get it to stay. So real critical. A lot of times people put them in, they're so happy to have it done, they're celebrating, patting themselves on the back, and turn around and then they notice that that guy right there is about 3/4 of an inch to the right and the glue's already set. A lot of places do not require you to have primer. I use an Aqua Blue Spears primer. It's Aqua Primer. That cleans the pipe. And then I use Spears PVC wet dry cement. So even if there's a little water trickling through the pipe, this glue still works. And it sets up and holds 160 PSI up to 2-inch pipe within 10 minutes. So that's pretty quick. So you can literally use it on a pressure side like doing sprinkler valves or something like that, or a quick repair like this. You can see now I've gotten both pipes repaired. A little cheat that I didn't show you. You notice the pipes were pretty close together here, so I took my channel locks and I slid them between the pipes to give myself a little bit of room so that I had some space between the two pipes. So now you can see it kind of comes back together. But that gives you a little room to work to get your dauber around there. And that's a completed telescoping slip fix, a successful repair of a 3/4 inch pipe that was broken.